Hi, so just a couple of quick tips about using Gmail. While you're at college, you're going to get loads of emails, and the more organized you are, the easier your life will be. So there's a couple of little tiny tricks for you. So first of all, as you can see, I've just created a little email account to give you a demo. And when I created the account, it's already got primary, social, and promotions. It's got tabs across the top there. Um, this is something quite useful. These tabs I find really useful, and it helps you organize yourself a little bit. You may find it works for you. You may find it doesn't. Whatever. I'll show you how to set them up. So we're going to set up some tabs to start with, and then I'm going to show you a little bit about filtering as well. So first of all, into the cog where it's your settings. Before we go into the main settings, you've got other things you can set up in here. It's worth having a look in that. But we're going to go and see all settings, and then we're going to go into the inbox option. So at the moment, on this new Gmail account, it's defaulted to having a primary. That's where all your main email will go, social promotions. The other one I'm going to put on is updates. So when you're at college, your homework and other classwork will be set by using Google Classroom. And a lot of the Google Classroom emails come straight into the updates. So once you've done that, all you have to do is just save the changes. So you need to go to the bottom, save changes. Okay, so now you can see I've got primary, social, promotions, and updates. So this is one way of helping you get organized. And you'll notice that automatically one of the emails that I had, which was my welcome to Gmail, has popped itself into updates. So that might work for you. You might find it confusing. If so, just go into that settings and remove your tabs, whatever works for you. The second thing I'm going to show you, which I use all the time, is labels and filters. So you'll all have various teachers, and it's useful to make sure that when your teachers send you an email, it's really clear who it's from. So I'm just going to go into this email from my other account, and I'm going to go and set up a filter. So it's this option here, which is ... which is more, and it says filter messages like these. So from my Farnborough account, which is fine, I want to create a filter. So all of the messages from this particular person's account will be filtered together. So create filter, and I'm going to apply a label. And for me, it's a new label, and the label is going to be called Lucy C. Okay. So now everything from this email account will be given a label, which is Lucy C. I also want to make sure that any other emails I've had from that person are straight away filtered. So there are 2 other conversations from that person, which are also going to be filtered. So I'm going to create that. And then you'll see over here that we now have a label from Lucy C. I'm going to change the color of it so it stands out, so I can see when stuff's coming from this person. And now every time I get a message from that person, it will pop a red label on it. So then I can just open up that label and just see the emails from her. And in the inbox, it's really very clear. So if you had a different color for each of your teachers, you should very easily be able to see who sent you what. Once you've done whatever's in the email, you can just get rid of this one here. So I've finished this, I've done what it said in there. So now I'm going to get rid of it. I'm not going to delete it, but I'm going to get rid of inbox. And now it's gone from my main inbox, which you want to keep as clear as you can, but it's still in that label, which is the Lucy C label. So you haven't lost it, but it just keeps your inbox super neat and tidy. So 2 little things for you to have a play with. First of all, obviously the tabs on the inbox, and then setting up your labels and filters. Have a go at that and see if it helps you get organized. Well done.